In this session, as well as in the next couple of sessions, we will be exploring innovative ideas to make the students understand the concepts of the lesson called measurement. This lesson focuses on helping the students measure objects in non-formal units. To make the students experience this lesson, we will be implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation. With this innovative idea, hands-on exposure is provided to the students using real-life experiences. This in turn facilitates them to learn the lesson better using all possible senses. Now, as mentioned earlier, we will implement this idea with the help of some exciting games to build, explain and revise various concepts of the lesson such as measurement and weight. Under the first concept of measurement, we will explore the concepts of length and estimation. The concept of length will help our students understand the ideas of tall or high and low, near and far, thick and thin, and long and short. And with the concept of weight, we shall explore the comparison between heavy and light. Eager to begin this exciting lesson? So are we. But let's do that in our next video.